How to create a TradingView account professionally. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process. Just make sure to watch till the end. TradingView is a comprehensive charting and trading platform used by millions of traders globally, offering real-time market data for stocks, crypto, forex, and commodities. It combines professional-grade charting tools featuring over 100 technical indicators with practical features like paper trading, real-time alerts, and broker integration for live trading. What sets it apart is its social networking aspect, where traders can share ideas and strategies, making it both an analysis tool and a learning platform. Whether you're a beginner using the free version or a professional trader with a premium plan, TradingView provides all the essential tools needed for market analysis and trading execution. To create account, search for TradingView in your browser and tap on this first link. Then tap on this profile icon here in the top right corner and press on Sign In. Then press here on Sign Up. Tap on Email. Here, enter your email by which you want to create your account and type your password. Solve this CAPTCHA and press on Create Account. Verify your email through link have been sent. Then choose your username for your TradingView. Check these boxes and press on Next. Our TradingView account has been created. Further want to learn about trading? Tap on this video right now.